Hi everyone, how are you doing? So I'm in the middle of a project right now and I want to share something very cool. I built this wall here, pretty much the same style of the older one, but instead I use like a thicker board. I use 2x6 to build this wall, and because it's so deep, I felt like it was a waste of time, just me like cover, close, and that's it, okay? So I decided to transform this space here into like a beauty, like a, how people call it, like a niche, but bookcase, like a bookshelf, so I can put some plants, some decorations. Add the first layer of drywall mud, and I'm actually supposed to add this before the drywall dries, but I forgot that I didn't have stapler. I used a stapler to attach and I had to buy. Anyway, so now we're going to do that. And the first thing I need to do, I'm trying to use some scraps that I have from the other side of the wall, but pretty much the same thing. So you're going to put it on the corner, okay? Put it in the corner. Take the stapler and then just staple away. People like to add screws, but I found that a stapler is just so much faster to do, okay? But yes, you can probably use screws if you feel like too. I just feel like this way is faster. And then later on, I just come here. If I feel like, if I feel like some stapler are not perfect inside, I just come with the hammer and then that's it. So it's pretty much, this is the first step, okay? And then now after finish, I'm going to finish this, and after this, it's time for mud. So as you can see, underneath this has screws, okay? So I want to hide those screws, okay? The shelf is pretty solid, like it's not going anywhere because I'm not going to put anything heavy here. So this is going to be perfect. The problem is I want this to be thick. So what I decided to do was thicken up underneath. So I have like a gap here from the screws, okay? And then I'm going to put the top over here. Like, I'm going to put like a front right here. Let me show you. This is how it will look like. Let me show you. So, then I'm going to, cut into the length, attached, glue there, and then I'm going to come with the caulking, and then I'm going to, get the seams, because this was like not perfect square, so I couldn't like do perfectly.
Guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other videos coming up. Thanks so much for watching.